exulting in dignified imperial dedication, the High Priestess of Culture, Miss Audrey G.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I have written a monologue and dedicated to our dear Queen Victoria. Thank you. Victoria, mother of all our lands, welcome, and may we wish you all the...
You've got number of seat, you know. A20. Can you stand up a minute? A27. I'm trying to put A20. Well, I don't know where it is.
Excuse me!
Done?
I said excuse me.
Why, what have you done? How do you do? Sorry.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Have you a seat?
Yeah, but nowhere to put it.
Who is this man?
How do you do?
Excuse me, I can't talk to you from there. Would you come up here?
Well, on the plank.
On the platform.
Yes, that's... Yeah, no. How do you... Hey.
Do you know you've ruined my performance?
I never touched you.
I am trying to do a dramatic monologue.
I was just trying to find my seat, you see, and then you said...
You have no seat here, you know.
Neither have I. That's what I'm telling you.
I am doing a monologue to Her Majesty Queen Victoria.
Oh, I didn't see her in. Yeah.
She isn't here, dear.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, this is a very dramatic thing. Would you please go away?
Yes. No. Well, I can't now. I'm here. I mean, so maybe I can pray.
Sir, as you are here...
Yes.
I mean, have you ever performed on a stage before?
I do a bit of singing at
Oh,
club.
you sing?
So do I, yes. I do a bit of singing.
Have you a group?
No, I get the window locked. I have to... Yes, we did. Yeah, should have shaved, you know, before the show.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Do you do anything else but sing?
Ah, yes. Funnily enough, I do monologues.
Monologue?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No, I'm madam.
Oh, yes, I tumbled that.
Would you perform one for us this evening?
Well, in front of these people?
Yes, of course.
Well, I'd love to, if I could. I'd like to.
Why do you keep doing that?
Doing what? Hey, there's something up with you. Yeah.
Would you like to do the monologue now?
Well, if it's all right. Yes.
Please do.
Well, yes, I'll put that down because I work hard, you see.
You're in?
Yes. The green eye of the little infant.
Can you hear me? Excuse me, nobody can hear you.
Can they?
No, of course they can't.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No, you are not. Where is your articulation?
I think she knows.
Now, with your monologues, you must absolutely sell it. Sell it.
Sell it?
Yes.
The green eye of the little yellow god, 30 bob.
What's that sort of selling?
Sorry?
Now, I want you
Yes?
to use your hands.
I don't understand. Could you show me?
Watch my hands. Watch them closely.
Right.
Watch them.
Yes.
Watch them.
No.
There's no lens in those glasses.
I know, they hurt my eyes, so I took them out. Get up.
Are you ready?
So am I.
There's a green yellow idol to the north of Kathmandu. There's a little marble cross beneath the gown. Did you see it?
No, did it come on? See, I can't do all them hand movements like that. I can do the monologue.
Just a moment.
But, what?
Look.
Huh?
These are your hands.
A damn sight cleaner than mine.
Come here, stand there.
Yes?
Now I'll tell you what I mean.
Oh, you'll do the actions for me and they'll think it's me.
Correct.
Oh, right, yes, thank you. Recitation. I see. The green eye of... The green eye of... The green eye of the... The green eye... No, I'm ticklish. Seriously now. There's a green-eyed yellow idol to the north. To the north of Kathmandu. There's a little marble cross below. Below the town. There's a broken-hearted woman tends the grave of Mad Karoo. While the little god forever gazes down. He was known as Mad Karoo by the subs at Kathmandu. He was hotter than they felt inclined to tell. But for all his foolish pranks, he shut up. He was worshipped in the ranks, and the colonel's daughter smiled on him as well. He had loved her all along with a passion that was strong. That she loved him was plain to see for all. She was nearly 21, and arrangements had begun to celebrate her birthday with a ball. Could we have our ball back, please? Butterfingers. On the night before the dance, Mad Karoo stood in a trance, and the seems like a nice boy. And they chaffed him as they puffed at their cigars, but for once he failed to smile as he sat, alone a while, then went out into the night among the stars. He returned at break of dawn with his coat and tunic torn. Hey, that's my best shirt. Oh, look, you've torn a button off. No, I don't reckon that. No, that's vandalism, that is. I don't reckon that at all. No. With a gash... I thought she was going to let him go for the minute. With a gash above his temple dripping red. You know, without my glasses, I'd swear that was a chucky egg.
It is a chucky egg.
Get off! Really? What the hell am I laughing at? The gash above his temple dripping red. Oh, please don't. Oh, in the...